kill you monsters!
Stu! Would you like some food?
Sure.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
It is time for you to feel.
Maybe real.
Here you go, Stevie.
It's Stu.
No, it's Stevie.
Stu!
I named you Stevie!
Yeah.
Okay, Stuart, get over here. No, sit down at your table. You're gonna get a surprise. Okay, first, some water with some SpaghettiOs. Starting out. Then we're gonna put some coffee creamer in it. Dump it in there. Now after that, just take the stir it in pretty kind of well. Then you're gonna take some coffee, already made. You just pour it in. Give it its brown color. You hearing this, Stu? Yeah. Next, we're gonna put some rum in it.
I'm supposed to drink red rum. Guess it's not that scary anymore.
Stirring that in. Trying to make this a non-alcoholic beverage, like soup. After that's all stirred in, guess what you're gonna do? Just guess. No, that's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna spray some perfume in it. Gives it a nice smell and a nice flavor. Stir it in real quick. Then some nail polish remover. And after that, them galactic glitter glue. You know what? After it's plopped in there, I'm gonna take some sauce. This is my secret blending sauce. Blend it in there. And Stu has his meal. Stu, are you ready for your meal?
Yeah.
There you go, Stu. Or Steve, or whatever your name is. Just do not burst Stu. Well, what do you think, Stu?